In the mountains the cries resound. The earth trembles beneath our feet. Blades shine in the cold dawn. We raise banners against all defeat. We march with honor and courage, each wound's a story untold. The blood spilled is proof of our strength, a force that will never grow cold. In the wind, the call is heard, of ages that shall never fade. A legacy steel forged, a cry that will pierce through the blade. Ensiferum, we fight for glory and faith. Ensiferum, our cries will never break. Swords held high, the thunder will lead. Victory is ours to the end we bleed. In the cold of night, we swear by fire to protect the lands of our kin. The gods watch over each step we take, destiny carved by mortal hands within. In rivers of flames, the souls still dance. The fallen never truly depart. With war hymns, we raise our blades, a people driven by pure heart. In the dark, the steel will gleam, the eternal flame guiding our dream. A roar that shatters the void's despair, a promise of justice in the air. Ensiferum, we fight for glory and faith. Ensiferum, our cries will never break. Swords held high, the thunder will lead. Victory is ours to the end we bleed. Begins, echoes of defiance battle hymn. We are heirs of forgotten realms, but never shall we overwhelm. Ensiferum, we fight for glory and faith. Ensiferum, our cries will never break. To the sound of steel, our hymns will soar. Sons of glory, ready for war. And in legends we shall be sung as those who never bow to none. Ensiferum, the name will prevail. In pages time can never